Okay, Ashley, I'm just going to try this as a test. So, right now, hopefully you're getting my screen. And I don't know, I'm going to move this around and see what happens here. And this is where I went. It's Screencast-O-Matic. And I just launched the free recorder. Now it looks like on here I have a limit of 15 minutes, so I don't know if that's going to be a problem. That looks like the free one. So let me see. I'm going to pop around different screens. You can tell I was doing some searching to look for what was best. And then I looked out on my YouTube channel, but this was yours, Jing. I looked at my YouTube channel, but I don't see it. So I think a while back I deleted those. I used it for class a couple years ago, probably. So, well, that's a minute. I'm just gonna go ahead and stop and save that and see what happens.